haven't been around for all the holidays. I know I should have been more present at your birthday. I know that I hurt you. And then I met your mother, she is always blaming me for missing out on every Sunday with your family. I hurt them like I hurt you. And I've been around safe and sound, but I'll stand my ground, stand my ground. I lost track of time chasing you, praising you. I kept choosing you over me. Baby, I love you, but I love myself more. So I decided that I'm done with feeling guilty. No pleasing people that I know ain't betting on me. I'm winning for me, 'cause I've been around safe and sound, but I'll stand my ground. Here I come. I lost track of time chasing you, praising you. I kept choosing you over me. Baby, I love you, but I love myself more. I'm not selling myself too short. I'm worth more. I'm not giving up dreams because, baby, I love you, but I love myself more. In the cold night, in the second we lie, in the cold night, in the moment, I'm sure that I want more. Baby, I love you, but I love myself more.
This dance is called Maddy, choreographed by Malene, Jakobsen, and Åstmar. It's a 3-2 count, 2-wall, high intermediate level, rolling 8 count line dance. There's one tag in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Side rock, break your body. Rolling right to your left with a swing. Quarter forward, head back, quarter to the side with a swing. Cross, side rock, quarter turn right, recover. Forward, forward, ball forward with a swing. Left foot twinkle step, cross, side rock, recover, facing 130. Section 2, cross, quarter turn right, stepping back, 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 facing 430. Quarter turn right, side rock, facing 730. 1 and quarter turn left with a swing. Quarter turn left, stepping forward, half turn left, stepping back, half turn left, stepping forward with a swing. Right foot twinkle step, cross, side rock, recover, facing 730. Forward with a hitch, coaster step. Section 3, step forward with a spiral forward turn right. Forward, forward, half turn right. Forward, half turn left, stepping back, back, back with a hook. Forward, 3/8 turn left, stepping back. Back rock, recover, 3/4 turn right. Half turn right, stepping back, quarter turn right, stepping to side. Section 4, cross with a swing, cross, side. Rock back, facing right diagonal, recover. Quarter turn left, stepping back. Continue quarter turn left on your right foot and hit your left foot. Side with a swing. Cross rock, recover, side. Weave, cross, side, behind. Last step. Now let me show you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8 and There's one tag in this dance. At the end of wall 2, you will be facing front wall. Do this 4 count tag. Starting with the right foot. Step right foot to right side and sway to right, sway to left, sway to right. Quarter turn left, stepping forward. Quarter turn left, stepping to side, behind. Count for the tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, and That's the tag. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.